Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. So we do first derivative for the both sides. We have 2x plus 4dx. So the next one, we need to divide both sides by number 2. So we have x plus 2dx. This one in here, we change for u. X plus 2dx, we change for du over 2. The integral of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u. And we put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.